What is syncretism? The term syncretism has had different denotations and connotations over time. In current usage in anthropology and religious studies, it generally refers to a mixing of elements from different religious systems or traditions. From the perspective of many religious leaders, such a mixing is often viewed as a negative process, as an abandoning of true religion. From the perspective of many anthropologists, psychologists, and professionals of other academic disciplines, religious syncretism may assist in a positive acculturation process, whereby elements of different systems emerge in a new format, allowing an integration of ideas and behaviors. It is important to bear in mind that whatever example of syncretism is in focus, it always takes place in a psychocultural and socio-political context, and therefore, the psychological effects of such need to include those levels of analysis. Broadly construed, however, syncretism refers the process whereby two or more independent cultural systems, or elements thereof, conjoin to form a new and distinct system. It is important to note that syncretism is among the most important factors in the evolution of culture in general, but especially in the history of religion. Indeed, all of the so-called world religions, that is, Christianity, Judaism, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Confucianism, are to a fair extent syncretistic. But the process occurs whenever previously independent belief systems come into sustained contact, no matter what their respective levels of sophistication may be.